guys, welcome back to Budget Rebuilds. Today we're back on this bike, gonna finish it up. He's gonna tell you all about it, what we're planning on doing, and then hopefully next video out we'll be back working on the big wheel bagger, right?
Yep.
Okay, alright, so he's gonna tell you what we're gonna do.
What's up, y'all? We're back on, like Melissa said, we're back on our 2005, I think, Road Glide. Truth be told, I don't know where we left off on this one last time. I've done a bunch of work to it off camera. I know we had the front forks bent. I think we pulled those off in the last video. Anyway, we got our new forks on. We put a new Street Glide style front fender on it, had it painted. We had the tank painted. I had a black fender for the rear. We went ahead and put one of those on, and we put the 2014 style bags on it too. Also, I did crank it up off camera. I couldn't help myself, so we know that it runs, but we have not rode it yet. To get it out of the shop, these Road Glide fairings won't fit through our door, so I had to pull it out here, and I basically just put on our inner fender and our fairing bracket right here. So we're going to go ahead and get our crash bars back on and the turn signals, and then we'll finish putting in our stereo and our outer and go take it for its first test drive. Onto the stereo. Let's see if it works. It's turning on. It's making noises. Oh yeah, we just gotta connect some music to it. All right, I say we go ahead and get the turn signals on and the outer fairing, and then we should be ready for a test ride. Now on this turn signal, I'm missing the bulb and what do you call it? The lens, but I have that ordered. We'll go ahead and put it on there for right now. Bolted together. old fairing was smashed up so bad I didn't know how the turn signals ran through the fairing. Apparently you have to de-pin the connectors to run them through a small hole in the outer and then put the connectors back together. I didn't want to do that. Thanks again for watching our video. We finally got a road glide in for you. Don't forget the next few episodes we're going to be doing the big wheel bagger. So we'll stay tuned on that one. We won't jump around. Once we get on that one, we're going to stay on it for the next few episodes until it's done. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.